Okay, I have tried this video 3 times. My phone keeps telling me I'm out of space, so I had to delete some stuff and make some space. So I was watching Alpine RC's video of his Land Rover Defender Orlando Hunter that he modified, and he built a exoskeleton, modified the body, and I wanted to show him the liquid plastic that I make. It's stronger than regular super glue, CA glue, it's stronger than this, which is it has acetates or acetone and methylethyl ketone in it. The methylethyl ketone is dangerous. You just need to know that. The fumes are bad for you, and if you get it on your skin, it soaks into your skin and it can be bad. If you get too much of it over years, it can be bad for you. Anyway, but that's straight methylethyl ketone. This is mixed. Anyway, you use this kind of glue, put it in a clean jar, and then you take your little bits of styrene, plastic, polystyrene or styrene, and you cut it into little pieces. The smaller and thinner the pieces are, the better. It dissolves faster if it's thin little pieces, small little pieces. There is a difference in the chemical compound of Orlando Hunter plastic versus the regular styrene that I'm using in this. I have mixed some of this up before, and it took forever to dissolve this kind, but it does work to glue the body pieces together. I modified my Jeep, my Orlando Hunter Jeep, by moving my wheel wells as far up and back as I could without removing the roof. So, because my chassis is, the wheelbase is stretched as far as I could get it. I think that's kind of obvious. I've taken the motor out of this and I'm going to redo it later. With that said though, I've already got some in here mixed up. You can see the plastic is already turning basically to rubber. It's actually, that piece broke. You can see it's just soft. And the more you mix it up and the more you leave it alone in a jar, mix it every once in a while, leave it in the jar with the lid on it. The glue does evaporate off kind of fast if you leave the lid off. So with that said though, this stuff is really thick. I'm going to turn it upside down. I already did this. You can see I tried to make this video a couple of times. So hopefully I have gotten more space now. If you look through the jar, you can see it running on the other side back here. And it's very slow. And really quick, I will open it up before it gets upside down on the lid. Dip this in here. That is glue and styrene plastic. I've used this for years. I saw it in